Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a Ford Explorer. Starting right away up front, you have front parking sensors. We're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Inside, leather interior. Second row and third row seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. One more look down the passenger side. Then swinging around to the back end, you have rear backup sensors and a camera on the back. Taking a look inside of the hatch now. There's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so with simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls, full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation, dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Explorer on holidayautomotive.com.